Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, Scheduling Advisor. In this video, we will talk about planning scheduling for a residential building project. This video will be part 1. As mentioned, this video is part 1 of a series of videos. We will talk about planning, then scheduling of a residential building project. Our focus will be on the approach to this process, step by step, as a planner for a project from the start. We will try to use the same language, definitions, and vocabulary used in PMBOK by PMI, which is a trademark for the Project Management Institute, and we will focus in detail on the critical thinking as a planner. Disclaimer: any idea or content in this video is solely from my experience and does not represent any third-party opinion. Let us define planning vs scheduling. Our role in this project is the planner scheduler. So, what is the difference between the planning and scheduling? Planning is to put together a roadmap of what is needed to make the project reach the intended outcome of it. In our case here, it is to build a residential building. We put this information in a form of WBS, which is Work Breakdown Structure, which will highlight in each node line a set of processes needed to make the project complete, and we should make sure that this WBS covers the whole scope of the project, while scheduling will define who and when the operations to accomplish the project will be performed. This will be done by breaking the WBS to smaller pieces of work until we reach the smallest set of processes, which is called work package, and then we break the work package to more detailed pieces called activities. A measurable piece of work with the start and end dates. When executed, a part of the project will be finished. We will later on explain each definition as needed when needed. Project Charter. To start a plan, a project, we should read thoroughly and understand the Project Charter. Project Charter is a formal and short, usually not more than 2 pages, project document which defines the project objectives, how it will be executed, who are the stakeholders, all in very high level and summary format. We should make sure to understand the full scope of the project and make sure that this document represents the full scope as well. Now we will talk about another important document in the project documents. It's the project management plan. We should read and understand the project management plan, which is a summary or detailed document. So it can be just summary, very short, or a very detailed document. This document is put by the project manager or the owner team. This document tells what needs to get done, how it will get done, and when it will get done. So This document should be tailored for each project to fit exactly and precisely for that project. The project management plan document should be formal and approved by the management and the owner. This document defines how the project is executed, monitored, and controlled. This document outlines the scope, goals, budget, timeline, constraints, and project deliverables, etc. This project management plan document describes the needed project resources, their budget, personnel, and other resources required to meet the project objectives. Project management plan include list of factors which might impact the project as risks and issues, with a plan to identify the risks, how to address, then control them. Project management plan include a plan for how the project team and stakeholders communication will be handled through the project lifespan. Project management plan describes the project schedule and the format of the planning process, the needed reports, with high-level view for the project activities, summaries, and milestones, the software to be used for planning, like Primavera P6, the sequence of project schedule updates. This document also describes how to measure the project performance, which key performance indexes to be used, and how to track them. Later on, we will explain in more details this document when necessary. Thank you for watching this video, Planning Scheduling Residential Building Project Part 1. If you liked it, please hit like and subscribe to my channel as more contents will be added to this series. If you have any suggestions or questions, please leave them in the comment section below, and I promise to respond. Thanks again for watching. Until next time, bye.